Hey loves, it's Natural Mama, and in today's video I am showing you how to apply nail wraps. So I got these are called the Lady in Red nail strips. I got these from lovelyhello.com. So the first thing that you want to do is find the particular strip that matches with the width of your nail, and you want to remove the clear cover that protects the nail strip, and then remove the nail strip, and then I like to stick the nail strip back onto the actual paper that it comes with. Next, you want to apply the nail strip to your nail and make sure that you don't stick it to your actual cuticle and smooth out any air bubbles. I also like to stretch the nail strip and fold it over using the paper. And next, you're gonna go ahead and file off the excess. It's best if you use short downward motions when filing so that you don't rub off too much of the color, and then you just peel off the excess. Now I'm just going in and filing away any rough edges and just making little minor adjustments. I also like to smooth it over one more time to make sure that it's nice and secure. And that's it. Super easy, super fast, no mess, no chemical smell, no drying time. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my manicure. I'm just matching up the next nail, just choosing the right size and design. So same thing, now you want to peel off that first layer, peel off the nail strip, and then re-stick it back to the paper and then match it to your nail, and make sure you smooth out any air bubbles. Once you're done smoothing out the nail strip on your nail, you want to go ahead and pull the nail strip tight and pull it over the top of your nail. And now once again, you want to file using short downward motions until you can peel off the excess. I like to take my time and really make sure to smooth out all the air bubbles. I also like to smooth down the nail strip along the top of my nail. I find that helps the nail wraps last a little bit longer. And that's really all there is to these nail strips. They're super easy to apply. I like to start with my pinky and work my way all the way to my thumb. I don't use a base coat or a top coat, and for me, I usually find that these last me a good 7 days. And it just takes me about 20 minutes to apply these strips on both hands. The time and money that I save by using these nail strips versus going to the salon is so valuable to me, especially being a new mom. The best part about nail strips to me is the fact that I don't have to sit and wait for drying time. So I can apply these while my baby is taking a nap. I can also apply these nail strips while I'm on my pump break, and then once I'm done applying them, I can just get up and go. So I love that flexibility. I've purchased several different nail strips from different vendors online. There's quite a few vendors out there, and so far I don't really have any favorites. But I love the fact that these nail strips come in so many different patterns and colors. And I just love these. They're such a fun way to express yourself, and especially now lately after having my baby, I don't really wear a lot of makeup, so doing my nails is such a fun way to express myself. So after I finished applying these nail strips, I realized that the middle finger isn't quite fitting the way I want it to. So let me show you how super easy it is to remove them. You just simply peel them off, and that's it. You don't need any nail polish remover, nothing. You just peel them off. And now I'm just finding a nail strip that fits my finger a little bit better. I chose a wider nail strip, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. And I feel like this color matches better with the overall look that I'm going for. And the nice thing about these nail strips is that once you start collecting them, you can even mix and match different sets to create your own look. So one last tip about nail strips, you want to make sure that you push your cuticles back and use alcohol or nail polish remover to remove any oil and debris from your nails before you apply the nail strips. This is just going to help it last a little bit longer. And there is my finished manicure. How cute is that? I love this look. If you have any questions about nail strips or how to apply them, please don't hesitate to leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching.